Hello everyone, here's a question on angles. This question is asked by Sri Lakshmi. The question is, find an angle which is 1/4 of its complement. Here we don't know the angles, but they have given relationship that an angle is a 1/4 of its complement. This angle is 1/4 of its complement. So we don't know the angles, so we'll assume a variable here. Now this angle is unknown to us and this is what we have to find out, right? So let's assume that the angle is x. Now we're talking about its complement. So let's take this angle, that is x angle's complement, to be y. Now we'll write the relation. What they have given? They have given that this angle. Now what is this angle we have taken? We have taken it as x. So x equals to 1/4 of its complement. So this is equals to 1/4, that is 1/4 of its complement, and we have taken x complement to be y. So x is equals to 1/4 of y. We can write this as y over 4 because of means multiplication. This will be 1/4 times y, right? So when you multiply, 1 times y is y, we get y in the numerator. So we got a relationship here, that is x equals to y over 4. Now how to find this x and y value? We know that these two angles are complementary angles. That means when you add these two angles, their sum is 90 degree. So here we get x plus y equals to 90 degree. Now there are two ways of doing it. We know x value equals to y over 4. So we can substitute this fraction here. But when we substitute this, we get a fractions. We have to take LCM and then we have to solve it. Other way is we can solve it here itself. That is, we can write this as, like, we can transpose this 4 to the other side. We are doing it so that we can just avoid this 4 from the denominator. We want to remove 4 from denominator, we don't want fractions, and that is why we are transposing this 4 to the other side, and you have learned how to do this. Now whenever you have a number in division, when it goes to the other side, it gets multiplied, or you can multiply both the side by 4. In that way we can get rid of this 4 in the denominator. When we do it, we get 4x equals to y. Now we have y equals to 4x. So in this relation, that is x plus y equals to 90 degree, in place of y we'll substitute 4x. In this way we can avoid the fraction, or else other ways, in place of x we have to substitute y over 4. We get y over 4 plus y equals to 90 degree, and this will become more complicated. So we just want to avoid fractions, and that is why we have multiplied 4, or we can transpose 4 on the other side. We get 4x equals to y. Now in place of x we will write x, plus in place of y we will write 4x. So x plus 4x equals to 90 degree. X plus 4x is 5x. So 5x equals to 90 degree. We have to find the value of x, so we'll transpose 5 to the other side. The transpose means we move. Now it's in multiplication. When it goes to the other side, it will go to division. We get x equals to 90 degree divided by 5. You can transpose it, or you can divide 5 on both the side of the equation. 90 divided by 5 is 18. Therefore x value is 18 degree. So this x is the angle which we have taken. This is 18 degree. If this is 18 degree, then what will be its complement? 90 degree minus 18 degree is equals to 72 degree. So its complementary angle will be 72 degree, that is y value is 72 degrees. We can check the answers, like we can check the relation. They have given that this angle is 1/4 of its complement. Now let's find 1/4 of 72. Now how to do it? 1/4 of 72, right? So 1/4 of means multiplication, and then 72. We can cancel these numbers, or we can divide it. This number is divisible by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 3s are 6. 1 is a remainder. I'll write this along with 2, that makes the number 12. Now 2 6 are 12. Now we have 36 here and 2 here. Again we can cancel these two numbers. 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 18 is 36. So we got 18, right? And that is what our answer is. Like we got the angle as 18 degree. So in this way we can cross check the answer. So one angle is 18 degree and its complement is 72 degrees. That's it. If you have any other question or doubt, you can drop a comment. I'll try to solve the question or I'll try to make a video on it. Thank you so much for watching.